Today is June 19th, and we had like really good thunderstorm the other day, and then we came out here and was it yesterday? That was yesterday.
It was, last night or the night before.
It was the night before, yeah. So check this out.
And that's what did it, a lot of water, and then right after that, a lot of heat.
So yesterday and today, it was super hot.
Look at all of these babies.
Look at
all of these are new.
Of these jalapenos.
And then this one, oh my God, so many.
Oh my God, I didn't even see all those.
This one, look at all these tomatoes, and these are the only ones you can see.
all your tomatoes
They're
on here.
inside.
Yeah, that's a ton.
And then look at this guy. He's starting to turn colors a little bit. You can't tell on your camera, but he's looking a little orangish. Okay. To me.
Look at all those. Oh my God, you weren't kidding. Like, and Andy called me over. It's like, look, you got some peppers, but there's easily like 20 on here.
Well, not on this one, but between the two, there's probably 20.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look, there's a big
oh
one
my God,
down
there's
there.
more at the bottom.
Yeah.
Go over and look at my heirloom that's turning more colors.
Let's go look at her heirloom that's turning colors. I don't know if you can hear this. The AC is on, but the cucumbers.
Look at the vine.
Oh, where did that come from?
Aim it. We're gonna direct it this way.
Like, for serious, where did this come from? This wasn't here.
Jason.
Oh, that's just one of the plants that was going up.
Yeah, pull it. Like,
it just got insane.
Let's direct it out. But look at these tendrils. They're looking for stuff to grab onto. They're ready to start.
I thought the whole point was to get something like this for it to crawl up.
Well, the thing is, we don't have the space and we need to keep it away from your jalapeno so it doesn't eat it alive. These can also grow along the ground as long as they don't rot.
Okay. Well, so that's the big thing is you gotta come out here every day and twist the cucumbers, remember? Because we had them before. Jeez, look how big that got. Those were just like...
Oh yeah, like it's starting to grow, toward it. So these will be able to...
Yeah.
There we go.
So, and then here...
This whole mess...
It just, look.
Go under this one.
Keeps going. Yeah. Oh, what's all this madness down here? This is crazy.
Bushes that were branches that were too small when we put the cage up. Now we're growing out of the cage, and I can't bend it into the cage without breaking it.
So we have those bamboo sticks. We should put those here and then zip tie them up.
Yeah.
Just because
keep them off the ground.
On the ground, it's going to do bad.
Yeah. So look at.
OMG.
Look at that guy.
Look at that bastard.
It's growing. It's so colorful. Oh, I'm so excited. And there's 3 more. There's 3 more, but they're not turning colors yet. So we got 1, the big one, 2, 3. That one's going to be ready to pick probably in a week. I wanted you to see how that exploded. Let's look at your little guy.
I'll be damned. Look at all of them.
Where?
All the little buds coming
Oh,
out.
yeah, lots of flowers. But there we go. There they are, Jay. It's so bushy, it's hard to see them.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
But look at 1, 2, 3 fruited right there. Oh, my God. There they are.
Careful. Be careful.
It's so bushy, Jay. Oh, my God. They're so big. There's one that's probably like this size, and it's in the base.
It's a bouillabaisse?
Oh, this guy's got one too.
Oh my goodness! Look at all of them.
The problem is they're green, and the leaves are green, and you can't.
Yeah.
But yeah, here, get it in there. Look at that.
Holy crap! How did I not see that before?
Because you can't. It's not really stems. It's made out of fruit.
What is this?
Now.
This is
it's a Bonnie one, but it's. Hot
burrito peppers. Okay.
This guy's got one, and this is one of yours.
I see those. Be careful moving these around.
I'm just feeling now to see if I feel any peppers.
Oh, is that a pepper right there? No, that's just. Oh, that is a pepper.
Whoa, yeah, it is. Here.
Yeah, I see it.
Oh my gosh. There's a pepper down there. Is that a shishito? Shishito? That one?
Oh, yeah.
That's a pepper? Oh, there's a couple on that bush. One of them's curled like a little J.
We got this tall one over here. I should have topped this one, but...
But look at that beast. Oh my God, there's little babies there. Oh.
how's that
nothing on these
peach
ones.
cream doing?
He's surviving. He's got little baby new leaves.
Yeah,
That are getting bigger and
that's
bigger.
true. Okay, that makes me feel good. Oh, your tomatoes are coming back over here. They weren't looking so good the other day.
We do really good when we get some like fresh water, which
Yeah.
I'm gonna do after we make the most of this light. This guy's gonna have them soon. It's so sturdy and so bushy.
Thick, yeah.
Okay, so this
Well,
is the
hopefully
guy.
they cross.
This is the guy we saw over there. But there's a little one. There's the oh my gosh, 2, 3, 4, because there's one on the other side. He's got some flowers that are starting to turn into fruit. Oh my God, look at that tiniest little one. Oh no, that's the stem. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So these little guys over here. Oh, got some. Nope, that's not a weed. That's okay. Yeah.
They're really starting. Okay, I'm gonna get the water out.
All right.
Look at our Yuki that was dead.
Oh, our Yuki was dead.
We're gonna name it a Phoenix Yuki.
Oh, Phoenix Yuki. See, so like this is what happens when it sits out in the sun, and I had to like move it out of the sun, and then like all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it got brand new, like whole branches coming out. Like the old ones are all dead, but these new ones are brand new as of like 2 days ago. So this thing is like absolutely fire when it comes to revival. This thing is amazing. Andy started the fountain.
Try and get it closed. I can't. There.
Here's the hot peppers. You're f***ing with me, Smalls.
I'm not. I'm not getting your phone. But I do need the water. Oh, sorry.
It's like an FPS.
That one. Boom, tomato shot. Boom, pepper shot.